KUSAMA is one such organization that offers different answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains on one brought-together organization. Transcending as a spearheading project executed on a peer-to-peer organization, KUSAMA has gigantic advantages to offer viz. Shared security of transfer chains and parachains, including flawless administration. The upgraded framework permits plentiful functionalities of marking and operability as approved by engineers. KUSAMA's local token is KSM, which plans three primary purposes: administration over the organization, marking, and holding, contrasted with different tokens. Before we start with fair-minded KUSAMA cost expectation, actually take a look at complete coin outline. KUSAMA, the Constitution. The whole programming on the KUSAMA project is open source. Benefiting from the in addition to points of Bitcoin and Ethereum, KUSAMA guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange privacy, making it a versatile organization. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain, neither the shipper nor the beneficiary and the sum moved are markers for different clients on the organization. Putting the power eventually in the possession of clients, KUSAMA has normal overhaul plans, and that implies this convention by designers like Gavin Wood is versatile to meet the different use instances of today and the unexpected use instances of tomorrow. Likewise, the corporate mission of KUSAMA isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The corporate is arranged large for the future, setting out on different organizations and coordinated efforts. Being recorded on famous cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance and their information, the KSM badge of KUSAMA offers a protected and reliable stage to its dealers for financial planning and furthermore empowering lesser expenses and a plenty of computerized and engineered resources for single out from. These updates and fruitful tie-ups have sped up the energy at the cost of KUSAMA coin, making the ecosphere of shrewd agreements all over. The update has raised the cost of the KSM token, the local badge of the KUSAMA organization, on trade significantly. KUSAMA, KSM, technical analysis. The fruitful ICO of KUSAMA drifted in 2019 October, was met with thundering achievement, and it raised more than $140 million selling north of 10 million KSM supply. While during the send-off, the cost of KUSAMA was exchanging around at $1.5, the merchant's buy pattern carried it to a degree of $62 toward the finish of 2020. To make the most dependable KUSAMA cost forecasts, one of the main advances is to examine KSM's previous exhibition. Soon after KSM showed up on the exchange, its most memorable enormous flood came. Around April and May, its cost rose from $2 to $7, an impressive leap that mirrored an enormous measure of early financial backers' revenue in the digital money market examination. Among October and December 2020, its cost jumped up from $27 to $62. Shockingly, starting from the start of this current year, the cost of the KUSAMA coin has displayed an extraordinary change, fluctuating between $70 to $623. Subsequently, the cost of KUSAMA acquired financial backer certainty, and the coin saw an extraordinary flood in force. Somewhat recently, KUSAMA enrolled its new all-time high of $623. Nonetheless, in the wake of hitting an ATH, the KSM token confronted a critical value drop to $262. A great deal of exchanges happened, and cash changed hands, as per information. KUSAMA forecasts, market sentiment. KUSAMA cost is at present moving around $130.02, and the coin has a market capitalization of $1,109,168,389.32 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $54,281,778.32. The circling supply of 8,470,098 KSM. KUSAMA, KSM, price predictions 2022 to 2026. In the same way as other cryptographic forms of money, KSM United States dollar is likewise powerless against market developments and high unpredictability. In any case, in spite of being exceptionally unpredictable, KSM has shown reliable development over the long haul according to the sticker cost of view and KUSAMA specialized examination. KUSAMA Price Prediction 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish cost pattern, there are expectations that the KSM cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2022. Keeping in context a series of successive pinnacles and box, the KUSAMA cost just shows a positive pattern among the subsiding pandemic situation, contacting the $184.21 mark. KUSAMA Price Prediction 2023. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer value patterns and estimate information, KSM cost has been straying from its way ordinarily every 2 or 3 years. So going ahead, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for KSM cost for raising, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of KSM cost causing a misfortune, however just small, dropping to $214.04 once more. In any case, this stays as a critical situation, and a few specialists disagree with this disorder. KUSAMA Price Prediction 2024. Yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is normal in view of the estimate that KSM cost will control the crypto realm, with a presentation of greatest cost fixed at $243.90. Which shows KSM cost can possibly support, as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances as conceded by the Organization of Web-Based Entertainment Channels. KUSAMA Price Prediction 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year, as KSM cost is anticipated to outperform $281.89, definitely. This year, no urgent variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the greater part of the harm done would be headed for fix work coming soon for every single world economy. KSM is assessed to stretch around $225–$285 by 2025, in light of our conjectures with mass reception. KUSAMA Price Prediction 2026. The crypto projections and forecasts from that point forward have begun floating towards hopefulness instead of negativity. The KSM cost expectation for this entire year remains very uplifting, expressing that KSM cost could exchange around the $257.78 mark. Might I at any point make money with KSM? Without a doubt, yes. As per our gauges,